Have you ever wondered why some days you feel energetic, confident, and motivated, while on other days you suddenly experience fatigue, irritability, mood swings, or cravings? It's not just your mood. Every month, a remarkable hormonal journey takes place inside a woman's body, influencing energy levels, emotions, skin health, appetite, and even the way the brain functions. Today, let's explore the 4 major phases of the menstrual cycle, one of the most complex and fascinating biological processes in the human body. The menstrual cycle begins with the menstrual phase, commonly known as a period. When an egg is not fertilized, the uterus sheds its inner lining, called the endometrium, which leaves the body through menstrual bleeding. This process usually lasts between 3 and 7 days. During this phase, the levels of estrogen and progesterone are at their lowest, which can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, cramps, headaches, and mood changes. Although it may seem uncomfortable, menstruation is a natural cleansing process that prepares the body for a new reproductive cycle. At the same time, the follicular phase begins. During this stage, the pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. This hormone signals the ovaries to develop several follicles, each containing an immature egg. Eventually, one dominant follicle continues to mature while the others stop developing. As this happens, estrogen levels gradually rise, stimulating the growth of a fresh uterine lining. Many women report feeling more energetic, productive, creative, and mentally focused during this phase because increasing estrogen can have positive effects on mood and cognitive function. Next comes the ovulation phase, often considered the most important stage of the menstrual cycle. As estrogen reaches its peak, it triggers a sudden surge of luteinizing hormone, or LH. This surge causes the mature egg to be released from the ovary. In a typical 28-day cycle, ovulation usually occurs around day 14, although timing can vary from person to person. This is the period when fertility is at its highest and the chances of pregnancy are greatest. Some women may notice mild pelvic discomfort, slight changes in body temperature, or alterations in cervical mucus. Biologically, this is the body's most fertile and reproductive phase. Following ovulation, the cycle enters the luteal phase. The empty follicle left behind in the ovary transforms into a temporary structure called the corpus luteum. This structure produces progesterone, a hormone that prepares the uterus for a possible pregnancy by thickening and maintaining the uterine lining. If fertilization occurs, the lining supports the developing embryo. However, if pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum gradually breaks down, causing progesterone and estrogen levels to decline. This hormonal drop is responsible for many symptoms associated with premenstrual syndrome, or PMS, including mood swings, irritability, bloating, headaches, fatigue, breast tenderness, and food cravings. As hormone levels continue to fall, the uterine lining begins to shed, and a new menstrual cycle starts. The menstrual cycle is far more than just a monthly period. It is a sophisticated biological process involving hormones, reproductive health, and the body's natural rhythm. Understanding the 4 phases, menstrual, follicular, ovulation, and luteal, can help women better understand their bodies, recognize normal changes, and make informed decisions about their health and well-being. You're watching Zenvy Health, where we simplify complex health and science topics into easy-to-understand knowledge. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because understanding your body is the first step toward a healthier life. Zenvy Health, your guide to better health.